This is the moment the future of driving finally gets real. Aptera just ordered the chassis and bodies for 40 production cars. This isn't a test or a prototype or a hopeful promise anymore. The biggest parts are scheduled to arrive in Carlsbad, California this October. Production, the actual start of building customer cars, is now locked in. They have the plan and the pieces and the goal for 2026. But let me be honest with you about what this truly means. Will every single one of those 40 cars be finished this year? I genuinely do not know the answer to that question right now. Nobody does, because production is a complex process with many moving parts. However, the company is determined and they are moving forward aggressively. They have ordered the frames and bodies for the first 40 vehicles. These are not pre-production cars meant for testing and validation. These are customer cars that will be delivered to real people. The timeline is aggressive, but they are clearly aiming for delivery. They expect the main components to arrive in the October timeframe. If everything arrives on time, then production can theoretically begin immediately. They could start building the very first vehicles right there and then. The goal is to get some cars into customer hands this calendar year. It would be a monumental achievement for a startup electric vehicle company. Now, let's talk about who will actually get these first historic cars. The priority list was determined by a special accelerator investment program. Customers invested at least $10,000 to secure an early spot. The more money you invested, the higher you were on the list. Your investment amount directly determined your priority in the delivery queue. This means some of the very first owners have put substantial money down. Interestingly, some of those top priority customers live outside the United States. Aptera has already started the process for selling cars internationally. They are working on approvals and regulations for other countries right now. It is all coming together at the right time to meet their goal. They are coordinating chassis, production, and international sales simultaneously. It feels like all the different pieces are finally aligning for them. These will be actual cars built exactly like the final production model. They are not test vehicles or proof of concept models for the factory. These are production intent cars, the real thing built for customers. This is the same car you and I will hopefully get next year. The production process starts in Carlsbad, California, at their facility. If everything proceeds as planned, we will see a slow initial rollout. They only have a couple of months left in the calendar year. They need to assemble cars, test them, and prepare them for delivery. I would imagine they will deliver a handful by the end of December. The exact number is unknown, but it will be a historic first batch. Hopefully, this means the gears are turning and production is ramping up. Parts will continue to arrive, and cars will start leaving the factory. The factory is located in Carlsbad, California, and it will be busy. This is a huge step forward for the solar electric vehicle company. Now, I want to address the early recipients of the new Aptera. If you are one of the first people to receive your car, listen up. I have a personal request and a fun idea for you to consider. I would genuinely love to be there when you pick up your vehicle. My wife and I will personally pay to fly to Carlsbad, California. We want to capture the moment you receive your solar-powered electric car. We want to film the entire experience and share it with our audience. We still say, film, even though everything is digital these days. We say tape, sometimes too, even though we use memory cards now. But the idea is to capture that special moment for you forever. You will have a permanent memory of your delivery day on the internet. Imagine having a high-quality video of that amazing day to look back on. It will be a forever memory of when you got your solar electric car. Of course, we also want to publish that video on our YouTube channel. It is a little selfish because it makes content for our viewers, but it will also be incredibly cool for you to have that record. So, if you are in that first group of recipients, please let us know. You can email me directly at chavedrivealightning.com to get in touch. You can also send me a message on any of our social media platforms. You will figure out a way to contact me. I am not hard to find. I want to make this happen and document this huge milestone for you. I hope you all see this news as positive and exciting as I do. This is a major step forward for Aptera and for sustainable transportation. The press release they issued had some very interesting and careful wording. They were very specific in their language and what they chose to say. They did not explicitly say they would reach production this year. Instead, they stated this would help them meet their goal of SOP. SOP stands for Start of Production in the automotive manufacturing world. However, they have said many times on camera and in interviews, They have stated at least twice on video that they will deliver something. It is highly unlikely, based on their statements, that they deliver nothing. I truly believe they are going to deliver at least a few cars this year. The exact number is a mystery, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 5. Maybe they will deliver 10 cars, but we simply do not know yet. If they deliver even just 2 cars, I will be genuinely happy. I just want to see actual production vehicles in the hands of customers. Seeing real cars delivered would mean the training wheels are finally off. It means they are a real car company, not just a startup with ideas. Once they start delivering, it is time to get to serious production work. This will create real jobs in Carlsbad, California, which is fantastic news. They will need production jobs and high-paying engineering positions too. This is going to be beneficial for everyone, especially for the local economy. And especially for me, because I am waiting for my own Aptera vehicle. I am incredibly excited to get my solar, charged electric vehicle from them. I was recently commenting on someone's post on a social media platform. It might have been Facebook or another similar social network site. They were talking about gas prices going up and how it affects them. I made a comment and a joke about my current electric vehicle ownership. I mentioned that I have not pumped gas in years, which is a great feeling. And now, I am looking forward to the Aptera and its solar capabilities. But imagine this scenario for a moment and think about its implications. Not only have I avoided gas stations for a long time now, it might be possible for me to not even plug my car in for years. That sounds like a dream for any electric vehicle owner, right? Now, that is an unlikely scenario given where I live in Michigan. We have quite a few cloudy days here, which limits solar generation. I will probably have to plug it in from time to time during winter. But when I first get my Aptera and I charge it up to 400 miles of range, which is the maximum for the battery, how long will it take me to wear the miles down to 0? I will still be gaining some solar power every single day. That is an interesting test I plan to conduct when I get the car. I want to see how the solar panels perform in real-world conditions. Another test involves the small 12-volt accessory battery in the car. How will that battery hold up if I do not plug the car in nightly? In my current electric cars, the 12-volt battery charges when I plug in. The main charger tops up the 12-volt battery during the overnight charging. But I know the main traction battery can also charge the 12-volt battery. The car can use its large battery to keep the small one topped up. This is a feature that should help maintain the accessory battery's health. We will see how well this system works without a nightly plug-in habit. There are so many things I want to test with this new vehicle. That is why I cannot wait to get my hands on my own car. I will run the Aptera through its paces in various driving conditions. This will help ensure you know exactly what you are getting inside and out. I will test everything, from the solar charging to the interior comfort. I will be transparent with my findings, both good and bad. I want to make sure you are informed before you receive your car. Now, I want to take a moment to thank all the members of this channel. I am currently sitting in my car at my office, getting ready for work. I am preparing to go sell real estate, which is my other job. I could not wait to get this news out to you as quickly as possible. I am recording this in my car, so I do not have a fancy graphic setup, but I wanted to share this breaking news immediately with you all. Thank you for all the support you have shown for the Drive the Lightning channel. You have been so supportive of Sarah and me, and we appreciate you. We appreciate you beyond words, and your support means everything to us. Thank you for all the encouraging emails you have sent to us. Thank you for all the times you bought Sarah a coffee to show support. You have shown support in every possible way, and we are truly grateful. One of you even gave us a priority slot to get our Aptera quicker. That is a level of support that we honestly do not deserve. We do not deserve it, but we certainly appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. That kind of generosity and kindness is truly overwhelming and humbling. It makes us want to work even harder to bring you great content. We are so lucky to have such an amazing and dedicated community behind us. I hope you all have a fantastic day and enjoy this positive news. I will keep you updated as more information becomes available to me. There will be more good news to come, and I am very optimistic about it. The future of solar-powered transportation is looking brighter every single day. This is a pivotal moment for Aptera and for the entire EV industry. They are proving that solar electric vehicles can become a reality. The concept is moving from a dream to a tangible product for consumers. We are witnessing the early stages of a new era in automotive history. The Aptera is unlike any other vehicle currently on the market today. Its unique design and solar charging capability set it apart from the rest. It offers a vision of a future where you can drive using the sun's energy. This could significantly reduce our dependence on the traditional power grid. It is a step towards more sustainable and environmentally friendly transportation. The aerodynamic design helps maximize the efficiency of the electric motor. Every aspect of the car is engineered for maximum efficiency and range. The solar panels are integrated into the body of the vehicle itself. This allows for continuous charging whenever the car is exposed to sunlight. It is a brilliant concept that has the potential to change how we drive. I am incredibly excited to see it come to life on the production line. The factory in Carlsbad will be a hub of innovation and activity. It will be exciting to watch the first cars being assembled there. The workers will be building the future of sustainable transportation. This is a huge moment for the employees and the company as a whole. It validates all the hard work and effort they have put in over the years. They have faced many challenges, but they have persevered through them all. Now, they are on the cusp of delivering their vision to the world. It is a testament to their dedication and belief in their product. The initial customer feedback will be crucial for their future success. They will learn a lot from the first batch of delivered vehicles. These early cars will provide valuable data for future improvements. They will help refine the production process and the vehicle itself. The journey is just beginning, but the start is incredibly promising. I am very curious to see how the market reacts to the Aptera. Will there be high demand for a solar-powered electric vehicle? I believe there is a significant market for this type of vehicle. People are increasingly looking for sustainable and innovative options. The Aptera offers a unique solution that no other car company provides. It appeals to early adopters and environmentally conscious consumers. I think the car will generate a lot of interest and buzz worldwide. The concept of not needing to plug in is incredibly compelling. Imagine the freedom of a car that charges itself from the sun. It could eliminate range anxiety and reduce charging station dependency. It is a game changer for people who live in sunny climates. Even in cloudy areas, it will still generate a meaningful amount of power. It will extend your range and reduce your overall electricity costs. The cost savings over time could be substantial for the owner. You will spend less on electricity and virtually nothing on gasoline. The maintenance costs are also expected to be lower than traditional cars. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts and require less maintenance. This contributes to a lower total cost of ownership over the life of the car. The Aptera is an investment in a more sustainable and cost-effective future. It is a smart choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. It is also a practical choice for saving money on transportation expenses. The combination of solar power and efficiency is truly revolutionary. I am eager to see the real-world efficiency numbers from customer cars. The EPA range estimate will be interesting to compare with real driving. I plan to do a range test as soon as I get my own Aptera. I will drive it until the battery is completely empty to find its true range. I will also test the solar charging rate in different weather conditions. I will share all my findings with you in detailed videos on this channel. My goal is to provide you with honest and thorough information. I want to help you make an informed decision about your own purchase. Whether you are a current reservation holder or just considering it, I want you to know the strengths and weaknesses of the vehicle. No car is perfect, and I will be honest about any issues I find. I will test the fit and finish, the technology, and the driving dynamics. I will compare it to other electric vehicles I have owned and driven. This will give you a comprehensive perspective on the Aptera. I want to be your trusted source for everything related to this car. I am genuinely passionate about this vehicle and its potential impact. I believe it has the power to change the way we think about mobility. It represents a significant leap forward in automotive technology. The integration of solar panels into a mass-produced vehicle is groundbreaking. This is not just a science project, it is a real, production-ready car. The fact that it is happening now is a testament to human innovation. We are witnessing history in the making, and I am honored to be part of it. I feel very fortunate to be able to share this journey with you. Your engagement and support make this whole experience much more meaningful. It is a shared adventure, and I am glad to have you all along for the ride. We will celebrate the successes and navigate the challenges together. This is a community of people who believe in a better automotive future. We share a common vision of sustainable and efficient transportation, and we are finally seeing that vision start to become a tangible reality. The ordered chassis and bodies are proof that progress is being made. It is a physical manifestation of years of planning and hard work. Soon, those parts will become complete cars sitting in customers' driveways. That is a future that is now just months away from becoming a reality. The optimism and excitement surrounding this company are well-founded. They have overcome so many obstacles to get to this point. Their persistence is truly admirable and deserves to be recognized. This is a victory for the team, the investors, and the future of mobility. And it is a victory for all of us who have been patiently waiting. Our patience is about to be rewarded with something truly special. The Aptera is a beacon of hope for a more sustainable world. It shows that innovation can solve some of our most pressing problems. We can reduce emissions and reliance on fossil fuels with technology. The sun is the most abundant source of energy on our planet. Harnessing it to power our daily commutes is a brilliant concept. It is an idea whose time has finally come, thanks to Aptera's efforts. I am counting down the days until I can get my own car. The wait has been long, but it is going to be absolutely worth it. I am looking forward to driving a car powered by the sun. I am looking forward to showing you all the amazing features it has. And I am especially looking forward to meeting the first customers. I hope to see you in California, capturing that special delivery moment. Let us make history together and usher in this new era of driving. Thank you again for watching, supporting, and believing in this vision. More updates are coming, and I promise they will be just as exciting. Stay tuned for the next chapter in the incredible Aptera story. This is just the beginning, and the best is yet to come. We are on the cusp of something truly transformative in the automotive world. Let us embrace this moment and look forward to a brighter future.